Easy booking is one of our strong suits. Stay tuned for today's run through on booking your first shoot with HD Bros. The first step in booking your shoot is going to our website at hdbros.com. You can book your shoot or navigate to any of our other pages from our homepage. Feel free to browse our site where you can find frequently asked questions, helpful tips for appointment prep, and posting to social media. When booking your shoot, you can choose to browse our real estate essentials or custom video options. You can also mix and match packages from either section. If you're unsure of what package is right for you, you can click the icons here to see what is included in each package. But don't worry, we're always here to help if you need us. Our chat feature also allows us to assist you in the moment if you need help booking your shoot. Let's book a shoot. Once you've selected your services, add them to your cart. Click the cart icon on the right-hand corner of the page. From this page, you can remove services from your cart, go back to packages to revise your order, or complete the booking form. The booking form is to ensure we have all of your requests and know exactly what you need before the appointment time. You can also use any applicable discount codes here. After completing and submitting your booking form, you'll receive an email from our team to confirm your request within minutes. We'll work with you to ensure we know exactly what you want and how to execute it. Our scheduling team not only books your shoot, but makes sure you get the most out of your shoot by sending you package details and time-saving tips beforehand. That's it, you've booked your first shoot with HD Bros. Let us know if you have any questions and don't forget to share this with your friends for their first time.